हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम, होर की हाल चाल आ। फ्रेंड, ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਫੰਡਾਮੈਂਟਲ ਰਾਈਟਸ ਐਂਡ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਰਾਈਟਸ। It is very important to know the differences between the fundamental rights and human rights. Friends, in Indian context, fundamental rights are those rights which are very essential, very important for social, economic, political and cultural development of human beings. Without these rights, without these fundamental rights, there should not be political, social, cultural, economic development of human beings. Fundamental rights are very essential for the citizens, for social, economic, cultural, political development. The concept of fundamental rights have been borrowed from the Constitution of USA, United States of America. Fundamental rights are inserted in Part 3 from Article 12 to 35 in the Indian Constitution. These rights are so important that without these rights, there will be no social, economic, political, cultural development of the citizens. These rights are protection against the government. These rights protect us from the encroachments of the government. These rights are the negative obligations of state, that these rights prohibit state don't do these things. So these are negative obligations of the state. Human rights are those rights which are very basic rights for the human beings, like right to life, right to education, right to work, right to good health, right to liberty, right to expression, freedom from slavery and torture. All are entitled to these rights. Means the human rights are universal in nature. So it means there is no discrimination on the basis of sex, color, place of birth, nationality, religion, race, language, etc. for providing human rights. Means fundamental rights are available to the citizens of India. All fundamental rights. And human rights are universal in nature, means these rights are available for everybody, whether do you belong to that nationality or not. So the international human right law lays down the obligations of the government to act in a certain way or to refrain from certain acts in order to promote and protect the human rights and fundamental freedoms of individual and groups. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights were done on 10th December 1948 in Paris, and Resolution 217A Clause 3 declares the common standards of achievement for all people and nations. Human rights are universally available whether you are in one country or the other country. The main difference between fundamental rights and human rights is that all human rights are fundamental rights, but only those human rights which are in Part 3 from Article 12 to 35 in Indian Constitution are fundamental rights. So the differences are as follow. Number one, fundamental rights are negative obligations of the state. These are available to the citizens or the nationals of India. but human rights are universal in nature. They are available to everybody. Fundamental rights are justiciable. These can be enforced in court of law. The Article 32 of Indian Constitution and Article 226 gives powers to the Supreme Court and High Court to enforce the fundamental rights. If any of your fundamental right is violated, then under Article 32 you can knock the door of the Supreme Court, and under Article 226 you can knock the door of the High Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights. These two articles, Article 32 and Article 226, gives powers to the judiciary to issue some writs. For example, habeas corpus, mandamus, quo warranto, certiorari, prohibition. So if any of your fundamental right is violated and you are the citizen of India, then there is a court, Supreme Court under Article 32 and High Court under Article 226, and these courts can issue writs for the implementation of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are negative obligations of the state because it prohibits states don't do this. Human rights are positive obligations. These are universal. Human rights advises the country, state to give right to life, right to education, right to work, because these are universal in nature. That's why, because this Universal Declaration of Human Rights has been done on 10th December 1948, we celebrate the 10th December as a Universal Declaration of Human Rights Day. So friends, fundamental rights and human rights are interdependent. All fundamental rights are human rights, but only those fundamental rights which are in Part 3 from Article 12 to 35 in India are fundamental rights. These cannot be separated. These are intermingled. These are interdependent on each other. The most important thing is that fundamental rights in India, they are justiciable because they can be enforced through the court. These fundamental rights and human rights are very important and very essential for the social, economic, political, cultural development of human beings and nationals. These are linked to each other. Both are necessary for overall development of human beings. So friends, these were fundamental rights and human rights and differences between fundamental rights and human rights. अगर वीडियो चंगा लगे ਤਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ। ਮੇਰਾ ਚੈਨਲ YouTube ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਐਂਡ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਚੈਨਲ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਐਂਡ ਮੈਨੂੰ Instagram ਤੇ professor_ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤੇ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ।